my Kiki. He's dropping me at work. Oh, he got it. Mama got it. Say, Mama got it. Can you say, Lola got it. Mama got it. So, my Riley, he's dropping me at work today. He's driving. Hi guys, good morning everyone, and this is everyone. Happy Tuesday. So guys, mga vloggers ngayon ng Bisaya, nag-away-away na naman. Nag-aanuhan kung sinong mayabang at mayaman, nakasawa lang ng apam. Kararating lang sa Amerika, so yabang na. Huwag kayong magmamayabang kasi babalik din tayo. Ganon yun. Isipin mo, may Diyos nakatingin, makakarma kayo sa lahat ng ginagawa ninyo. Kaya tandaan ninyo, maging mabuti sa kapwa. Amen.